It's super cool, guys. If you follow the steps in the video, it's going to work for you. So keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this modded Poppo Live. So this will give you unlimited coins. So I'm going to turn it on right now. This is obviously the mod menu, and let's see if it works. So yeah, it's super cool. You can see right here, unlocking console. All right, so let's see what happens. It's loading up, and then we should be done. All right, it says they were added, so I have no change in my coins or points, so bang. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. It works on iOS and Android, so let's get into the video. So as you can see, it's time to get rich. So first thing that we're gonna do is go on the browser, and I just want you guys to type tweakmod.com and then type Poppo. Here's the mod, so press install. Now before it downloads, there is going to be verification. This is the last step. You just got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from official app store. So I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. So I don't really know about videos anymore, but I had to make this one because I wanted to show you guys how to get unlimited coins on Poppo Live. So yeah, let's just give it a second here for this to load, and it shouldn't take that long, but yeah, let's see what we get, guys. So it's loading up right now, so we're just gonna give it a second. Okay, so as you can see, it says missing files, so you gotta download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 10. Then we got, you know, DraftKings Casino, Underdog Fantasy, download in 30 seconds. So just make sure you do 2 of them. I'll see you later, but that's how I get Poppo Live mods, so you can get unlimited coins. Super awesome. And yeah, it's 2025 approved, and yeah, it totally works, guys. So peace out.